Orlando Pirates are hosting TS Galaxy in the Betway Premiership match tonight. But before we go into any preview, let us look at the highlights of the last match between these two teams.
Lift the crowd. Rele Mofokeng trying to do exactly that. That's a wonderful ball to pick out Nkota. What a beautifully worked goal. Pure magic. Rele Mofokeng at the heart of it, started it, and with it, what a great ball to pick out Nkota. Now, shunned buoyed by that goal that he scored. Chance for Dlamini, tried to place it. Chance to fire one in here. Maduna couldn't come from there. Here's a chance. Ooh, snapshot goes wide. Presenting the last by the City, Amazulu and TS Galaxy will be the only teams that can. Chance is here. Oh, good stop from the keeper. Why there? Chippa United, as we have a look at. Oh, TS Galaxy looking for a late equalizer of their own here. And shot and a miss there from. But who did I think it was? Chicken Dolly. As they're still searching for that equalizer. Letoalo with a decent ball in here. Chance here, and they've stolen a point. Oh, what a sweepy, beautiful move of Pomvelese. Refuses to celebrate here against his former club. But what a goal and what a time to get it.
All right, guys. What I've just shown you are the highlights of the last Betway Premiership match between Orlando Pirates and TS Galaxy, which was actually the last match of the season, the previous season, the 2024-25 season, which was played at Orlando Stadium. They played to a 1-1 draw. Of course, at the time, Coach Jose Rivera had already departed Orlando Pirates. So now let's preview this upcoming match. The match will take place tonight, the 30th of September, at 7:30 at Orlando Stadium. Now, let us look at the form that the two teams are carrying coming to this match. We're going to start with the home team, looking at their previous 5 matches. Starting with the 31st of August, Orlando Pirates played away to Chippa United, and they defeated Chippa United by 3-0. It was the Betway Premiership match. On the 13th of September, Orlando Pirates hosted Stellenbosch. It was a final at Mbombela Stadium. Orlando Pirates defeated Stellenbosch by 3-0. On the 28th of September, Orlando Pirates played away to the Wadi Football Club in the CAF Champions League first preliminary round first leg. Orlando Pirates defeated the Wadi by 3-0. On the 23rd of September, Orlando Pirates played away the Betway Premiership match to Siwelele Football Club, and Orlando Pirates defeated Siwelele Football Club by 1-0. Then on the 27th of September, their last match coming to this match, Orlando Pirates hosted the Wadi in the CAF Champions League first preliminary round second leg, and they defeated the Wadi by 4-0. So looking at Orlando Pirates, their previous 5 matches, they won all their previous 5 matches. Orlando Pirates are on hot form. In the process of those 5 matches, they scored 14 goals and conceded 0 goals. Okay, then let us look at TS Galaxy. Looking at their previous 5 matches, starting with the 19th of August, TS Galaxy played away to Chippa United, and they defeated Chippa United by 4-1. On the 26th of August, TS Galaxy hosted Siwelele, and in the Betway Premiership, by the way, and they defeated Siwelele by 2-0. On the 30th of August, TS Galaxy played away to Orbit College, and they defeated Orbit College by 3-1. On the 17th of September, TS Galaxy visited Richards Bay. They played to a 1-1 draw. Then on the 24th of September, their last match coming to this match, TS Galaxy hosted Amazulu Football Club, and they defeated Amazulu by 3-1. They are on form. Out of their 5 previous matches, they won 4 and drew 1. In the process, they scored 13 goals and conceded 4. So they're quite in a good form. That is TS Galaxy. So let us look at their previous 5 matches head-to-head between these two teams. Orlando Pirates have won 3, they drew 1, and TS Galaxy won 1 out of the previous 5 matches. Let us look at the league table where the two teams located. Starting with the home team, Orlando Pirates are currently at position number 8. They've played 6 matches. They've got 4 wins, 0 draws, 2 defeats, 4 in terms of goal difference, they've got +4 and they've collected 12 points. Let us look at TS Galaxy. They've played 7 matches, 4 wins, 1 draw, 2 defeats, goal difference of +6, and they've collected 13 points. Okay, so my prediction for this match, I'm predicting a 2-0 win for Orlando Pirates. What are your predictions? Go to the comment section, guys, and give me your predictions. Thank you very much for tuning in, guys. My name is Tebus Kosana.